Hey guys, how are you? Ankit here and I'm back with another video. So as you can see, I got the Zflip3 5G. Now, I was not planning to get it because I have the S21 Ultra as my daily driver and this is the best Android phone out there, period. But I somehow, in the past couple of days, I was reading the reviews of Z Flip 3 5G and I have never used a Z Flip. I have used a Fold. I had the Fold 1 and Fold 2, but never the Flip. So I thought, let's try it out. And I will still be continuing using my S21 Ultra for the time being as my work phone, but I'm switching my primary SIM from S21 Ultra to the Z Flip 3, and I will see how it goes over the next few days. Because as you might have seen in other reviews, the main issue with Z Flip 3 is that it's not it does not have as good a battery as the S21 Ultra. I mean, not even close. It's probably like last half. It gives you half of the screen on time that S21 Ultra does. S21 Ultra easily lasts me for 7 hours screen on time over 124 or 30 hours. But Z Flip 3, from what I have seen in the reviews, I mean, people are barely making 3 to 3.5 hours or maximum 4 hours screen on time. But still, if you're looking for a powerhouse, a battery champion, a camera champion, Z Flip 3 is not for you. It is all about the coolness, the floss factor that Z Flip 3 provides, the flipping action. So now I will not bore you much further and let's go and unbox this thing. There it goes. There it goes. And here it is in all its glory. So if you can see, I got the cream color because I had the Pixel 2 XL and this reminds me of that. I did not go for the white color because it takes 4.5 weeks to deliver it and I could not wait so much. So I just got the cream color, and let's keep this aside for a moment and let's see what else we have got. So the usual paperwork, the SIM card ejection tool, and that's it. I think they have bundled a wire also here. Yes, the USB-C to C type wire, and that's it. A minimal packaging, and of course, Samsung has gone the Apple route and they don't provide the charger anymore. But I have lots of chargers, so I don't care about it. But the main hero of this video is this, the Z Flip 3. So let's remove this plastic. How to remove this? Yes. So yes, here it is. Immediately I can notice the difference in weight. So S21 Ultra is a chunky boy, big screen, I think around 226 gram weight. This feels much lighter, but still it's not that light that you feel it's not that you will feel that it's not a premium device. It is a premium device, but it's much lighter than S21 Ultra. And let's do the thing. Yo, and here is what people are raving about. The square, it folds into a square. So this is my first flip phone. Yeah, and I will not be doing that hand gymnastic. People try to use one thumb to lock it. I don't know how to do this. Nope, not doing that. Sorry, I will use two hands to unfold it. So this is it. So just let's go through what the externals look like. So here you have the power button and the unlock button. So fingerprint reader is embedded in this power button and it's, I think, at a comfortable height for me. Yep. But this volume rocker, as you can see, is at a much higher level. So you will have to do some hand gymnastic to reach this volume rocker. If you can see, yeah, it's just above the power button. And on the left hand side, we have the SIM card tray. So I think in this time they are offering the dual nano SIM option. So that's quite good. But I don't think I will put a dual SIM in this because already the battery life, I don't know how much it will last. And with dual SIM, again, it will further impact the battery life. But let's see how it goes. On the top you have this, I think that's the microphone, and you have the selfie camera here, and the screen protector is there. I don't know if it's visible, so if you can see, if the light is just right, yeah, you can see that there is a screen protector, and Samsung had advised not to remove that. And then you can see the crease. If, yeah, here it is visible. So the crease, it's not that substantial. If I even like if I run my thumb through it, yeah, it does not feel that bad. And towards the bottom you have the speakers and the mic. So that's it. And yep, this time they have added the stereo speakers on the Z Flip 3, making it a good experience. And of course on the back you have the two cameras. Now cameras, people will not buy this phone for the cameras because it is nowhere close to S21 Ultra, or even the Z Fold 3 has a better camera. It has a better sensor and one additional telephoto camera. So Z Flip 3 camera will be decent, of course. It will not be camera champion, but it will like do just fine. So that is all, and this was my unboxing. I will set this phone up and then I will be using it for the next few days, and let's see how it holds up. Oh yeah, and sorry, I am not used to it. There is a secondary display here. Yeah, I mean, I'm so used to the candy bar force that I forgot even to talk about the other main feature of this phone. So here next to the, on the left hand side of the camera, this whole black thing is a secondary screen where you can, you know, swipe, look at the notifications and access some widgets of alarm, media, etc. I mean, it's a good thought, but not fully functional because you cannot reply it from here. I mean, they could have, because if you can reply to a, you know, text message or WhatsApp message from your Samsung watch, then definitely you can reply it from here. So I think they should incorporate that in a future update, because that will be quite useful. You know, not the full functionality, but just maybe even the custom build responses like okay, or I can't talk like now. That will be quite good, because and otherwise you will always have to open the phone up to reply to any text or look at that. This looks nice. Yeah, and it's quite sturdy. It does not wobble. It's very, like, you can keep it at any angle. It does not snap or something. Actually, it is quite good to take some selfies like this, or even do video calls with friends, families, even for work purpose. So that is all from my side. You have the hinge Samsung logo here. So let's see how it goes. I'm very excited to use this as my primary phone over the next few days, and I will get back to you with my thoughts, impressions, and what do I like about it, what I don't like about it. Because my main concern with a foldables has always been that after some time the novelty factors wear off. I had these Fold 1, I had the Z Fold 2 earlier this year, but I went back to the S21 Ultra after using my Z Fold 2, because initially it is good for YouTube, etc. But like the regular things, you know, scrolling through Twitter, the scrolling text messages, Facebook, social media, and other social media, and just the overall general experience of using this. I mean, these foldables still can't compete with a candy bar. It is just an overall better experience. Yes, in terms of media consumption, Fold 3 will probably offer you a better media consumption, but because of the aspect ratio, it is not that much bigger than S21 Ultra. Because in S21 Ultra, you can see the full media on the screen, but in Fold 2 you will have just big black bars. Wow. So that's why, and I have not used a flip, so let's see how it goes, because you know, when unfolded it is actually this almost the same size as the S21 Ultra, if you can see. Yep, almost the same size, but it is thinner, slightly thinner than the S21 Ultra. So let's see how it goes. And since it has 120 hertz screen, so I don't think I will have any issue in terms of the smoothness of the phone, etc. But I will get back to you in my next video with my impressions and mini review sort of thing. So cheers. If you have any questions, you have want anything to cover, then I will do that gladly. And see you in the next video. Cheers.